Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Calendly onto your WordPress website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and embed your Calendly event, your scheduling event onto your WordPress website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Calendly. Next, you're going to go ahead and click on the scheduling event, which you want to embed to your Squarespace website, onto your WordPress website. Then click on these three dots, then click on Add to Website. Next, click on Inline Embed, and then click on Continue. Now, on the right-hand side here, you have an embed code. This is the code that you could actually copy and paste into your HTML on your WordPress website so that the Calendly widget will actually appear. So go ahead and copy this code, and then click on Copy Code, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and embed Calendly onto your WordPress website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.